frosting because last time it was too late to decorate these. So we're gonna start.
We're going to make the icing and then we're going to decorate the cookies.
So this is
Sugar powder.
and this is eggy white. We call it eggy because it's like eggy, but it's egg, but we call it eggy.
This is food coloring.
We have blue and yellow, red. We're going to make these together to make it green, and the red we already have. So let's start. Okay, so first we're gonna make the icing, and we already put the food coloring inside. So do you want to put it inside? Should we put it together? It's snowing! Whee! I love when it's snowing. I just really want to put the sugar, but I can't. Now we're gonna put the eggy white.
Oh.
It looks like yellow water.
I think we can put the lid.
No. Yeah. Do you want to put it?
Don't do that.
Maybe a little bit more. Guys, right now we're making an ocean.
Ocean, a yellow one.
Yeah. It's flowing down from here and it's going good. And this is snow.
Ice is snowing, melting.
Oh, the
Snow is melting. It looks like it's a place with like lots of like nuts and water is going there, like slime is going there.
It looks like we're making slime.
Except the things like
Yeah, so now we're gonna use our mixer. Could you please come and help us? We're just gonna leave it like this, I guess. And now we're gonna bake the food coloring, which we already put inside. So, take yours. Can I have the blue, please? Okay, guys, we have all of our colors. So now we're gonna take this white and put it inside of our food coloring. Boop.
I need this spoon.
Wait, a little bit more, maybe. I made a big mess. Here you go. Purple or is that black?
It's definitely black. Black is much darker.
Yeah. Maybe it's a really dark purple. Oh.
Guys,
Watch the video until the end and you'll learn even more. Keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with this dark color.
I'm gonna start with this gray.
It doesn't have so much. It's so little. I think we should add a little bit of more white to this.
Come on,
I need a little bit more.
it's just going to be just a few cookies. It's not going to be a whole bakery.
Yes, it is.
So,
See how much cookies we have there?
they have more.
Downstairs is the church, so later I think we're gonna give them some cookies of ours. So this is like my first time I'm making this. Okay, you know what?
Except I only decorated them in my kindergarten.
Olivia, you know what? That you're my dream friend. I've been dreaming like a friend like you.
So, guys, don't forget to check our video where we're decorating a gingerbread house.
Yeah, watch it. It's really cool.
Yeah.
We still didn't make it, but
Okay. I think I want to do the yellow.
you did 3.
I did only 2. I did only these 2.
Guys, be careful. Guys, this is like like a little bit different. So it's going to be like completely delicious. Guys, don't forget to subscribe now. So we're going to tell you what colors we have. So you can go first. I have green, red, and yellow. And I have some like mixture colors. I have like a rainbowy color, light blue, or maybe it's just blue, and like this dark purple, really dark purple. No scissors needed. So we're gonna talk about Christmas and everything. And what present we like. So should we start decorating? I'll have this one. I can find a girl. A girl? Okay. So I'm gonna make you. I'm gonna start with the red. Okay. I'm gonna start maybe with your hair. So yellow for that hair. Yours. I'm making the skirt reds. So delicious reds. Guys, you should hold it like, you should do this. You turn it around your finger, then you hold it like this.
I don't know how to hold it.
Just hold it like you want. In that case. Guys, don't have too much. You could just spread it like this. So it won't be like too much. It's so smooth. I'm gonna make these parts. And this part. And now I'm gonna make your reindeer. I'm gonna make some eyes because I don't know. I really can't make it. What are you making?
The girl.
What are those?
Eyes.
Why are they stick together? Olivia, what's your favorite part of Christmas?
My favorite part of Christmas is being with family.
Aw, that's so cute. And you know what's my favorite part?
No.
That we get to celebrate Jesus' birthday. That's my favorite part. That we pray to the Lord. Pretty good. My favorite part of the Christmas. Guys, you could also put different shape sprinkles. So we have circles, hearts, and every kind of shape.
And snowflakes.
Yeah, so we're going to start putting them on our cookies. Do you want to go first? I'm going to take the golden ones for my angel.
I'm going to take these ones.
This one. Why?
Because it's too pretty.
We're finished!
I decorated 2 hearts. One is big and it's colorful, and the other one is mostly blue and green colors. And this one is like a shape of a girl, and it's colorful and twisty.
And I made a beautiful star, and I made an angel that's watching us right now, but I can't feel the angel. It's right over here, and there, and here, and there, and here. I don't know where it is. And I made a Olivia, and I made a boy. I don't know who this is. It doesn't look. It's there. Guys, we finally finished our cookies. Now we can finally eat. Yeah, the best part. Ow! I've been wanting to eat it for so long. I was like, ah. And my mom said stop, and I took it again. And then I like, and then he said we're starting, so I couldn't eat it. Ah. are great. I can't believe we made it. Guys,
the icing.
guys, don't forget to make the same cookie. And don't forget to make the same cookie. And don't forget to do it right now.
After he's watching.
Okay. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. So, bye guys. We're going to continue eating.
Bye.
Merry Christmas!